Let's not sugarcoat it. The AI wave is not coming, it's already here. And it's not just a gentle breeze, it's a tsunami. This revolution is sweeping across industries, automating roles, rewriting job descriptions, and completely eliminating others. If you're watching this, chances are you're already feeling the tremors. This isn't about some distant future. It's happening right now. Truck drivers, taxi drivers, software engineers, accountants, delivery drivers, content creators, nobody is safe. Let's talk seriously, because we're done pretending this is temporary or only affects a few professions. If you fall into any of those roles, it's time to face the truth. You are going to lose your job. And if that's not already happened, it might happen soon.
All right, here's a question. Could the rise of artificial intelligence lead to job losses for everyday Americans trying to make ends meet? Our next guest, who is the CEO of one of the most powerful AI companies in the world, says we are heading for a catastrophic employment crisis that no one is talking about. Well, we are going to talk about it with Dario Amodei, who is the CEO of Anthropic.
We are witnessing the greatest disruption to employment since the Industrial Revolution. But this time, it's happening in real time. And it's global. This is not just about job loss, it's about total transformation. You, me, everyone, we're standing at the edge of a cliff. And whether we fall or fly depends entirely on how we respond to this AI revolution. Let's go through this step by step. Imagine you're a truck driver. Autonomous vehicles are already rolling down highways in several countries. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Aurora are investing billions in making driverless freight transport the new norm. Now think about taxi drivers, Uber, Lyft, and now robotaxi fleets are eating away at that too. The taxi meter is running out. And software engineers, yes, even the people building this AI infrastructure, are at risk. With tools like GitHub Copilot, GPT-based coders, and AI platforms that generate functional apps from simple prompts, we're starting to see that AI isn't just a helper, it's becoming the creator. Customer support, handled by bots like ChatGPT and other language models that work 24/7, never take a lunch break, and don't need salaries or benefits. Accountants and legal assistants, AI can analyze complex financial data, create tax reports, and answer legal questions with a reliability that rivals, if not surpasses, entry-level professionals. Even content creators aren't safe, from AI voiceovers to script writing, video generation to music production. Tools like Runway, 11 Labs, and Google's Gemini can now create entire pieces of content with minimal human input. The barriers that once separated amateurs from professionals are crumbling. The playing field is leveling, and with it, many old roles are disappearing. So, what happens next? Here's the real enemy: inertia. It's that stickiness, that resistance to change. Most people stick to what they know, clinging to outdated job models, hoping the AI storm will pass them by. But this isn't a storm you wait out, it's a climate shift. And if you're stuck in your old patterns, you'll be left behind. That's the cold, hard reality. So let this be your wake-up call. You need to shift fast before the rug is pulled out from under you. Now here's the twist. This revolution, while terrifying, also holds an enormous opportunity. And that opportunity begins when you stop asking, how do I keep my job? And start asking, how do I create my own? AI took your job? Good. Now use it to build a business. That's the core idea. AI is stealing jobs, yes, but it's also creating entrepreneurs. Why? Because for the first time in human history, the cost of starting a business has been reduced to nearly zero. No camera? No problem. No design skills? Doesn't matter. No coding knowledge? Who cares? AI now gives you the power to create, brand, launch, market, and monetize, all from your laptop. Let's break it down. Want to create a video? You no longer need a camera or a crew. Text-to-video AI models like Google's latest Gemini tool or platforms like Pika can generate high-quality visuals just from a prompt. Need music? AI will compose it. Need a voiceover? 11 Labs has you covered. Want a script? ChatGPT or Copy.ai can do it in seconds. That means a 17-year-old kid in Wisconsin can now compete with top-tier YouTubers. Not because they have resources, but because they have creativity and access to AI tools that level the playing field. Let's take this further. Think of AI as your dream team. Chief Technology Officer? You've got AI to build and code your product. Chief Marketing Officer? AI writes your ad copy, creates visuals, and schedules your social posts. Chief Operating Officer? AI manages your customer service with chatbots and automated emails. Chief Financial Officer? AI tracks expenses, predicts revenue, and helps with pricing strategies. All of these roles in one chatbot. You can start your company with a team of AI executives. No salary, no HR, just pure productivity. Platforms like Lovable or Base44 allow you to build apps with drag-and-drop tools and AI logic generators. Want to coach others? Use Strawberry.me to become a better therapist or life coach. Want to advertise? Jasper AI helps you create winning ads without hiring a single marketer. This is what we call the super era. In this new age, AI makes everything super. If you're an okay writer, AI can make you a super writer. An okay artist, you'll become a super artist. An okay programmer, you'll be shipping full applications by dinner. The AI tools that once cost millions to develop are now in your browser, on your phone, even in your pocket. You don't need an MBA or a Silicon Valley investor to start anymore. You just need the will to act and the courage to reinvent yourself. Today, only 10% of people identify as entrepreneurs. But within the next 10 years, that number is projected to jump to 30%. Why? Because AI has shifted the balance. It used to take money to make money. Now, it just takes imagination and a bit of boldness. This is exactly why platforms like Nast.io are emerging, to help people use AI to build digital products and launch businesses. In the past, creating a product might have taken 5 days. Creating an ad, another week. Connecting everything to a sales platform like Facebook or Shopify, weeks more. Now, you can create a product in 1 minute. An ad, another minute. And that's not just theory, it's happening now. AI isn't replacing jobs just to leave us jobless. It's forcing us to become creators of our own economy. It's pushing us to do what we love, not what we settled for. You can create products, design brands, market yourself, and start monetizing, all in a single day. And yes, that includes your mom, your uncle, and your kids. Because this isn't about having technical skills. It's about having vision, that dream you've been putting off, whether it's writing a book, launching a podcast, building an app, becoming a coach. AI can now help you realize it faster than ever. There are tools for everything. For script writing, use ChatGPT, Jasper for voiceovers, use 11 Labs, Play.it for video generation, use Pika, Runway, Google Gemini. For app creation, use Lovable, Base44 for branding and ads, use Copy.ai, Canva, Jasper. And remember, this is just the beginning. Imagine what happens when AI improves another 10x, 100x. You'll go from idea to execution faster than you can blink. So the real question becomes, what are you waiting for? But here's a big question. We're in the same spot people were when electricity was invented. The smart ones saw what was coming and adapted. The others, they were left behind. This isn't just about jobs or tools. This is about survival, about relevance, about unlocking your full potential. AI is your opportunity to become superhuman or to become obsolete. The choice is yours. So, what are you going to do with this power? Are you going to sit back and hope your job lasts another year? Or are you going to rise with the AI wave and create the future on your terms? This is your wake-up call. The AI wave is here. Ride it, or risk getting left behind. For those ready to take action, visit judyfmarketing.com, where you'll find the tools, guides, and expert support to launch your AI-powered business today. From content creation to monetization strategies, it's your one-stop launchpad into the super era. Don't just watch the future happen. Be the one who creates it. This is Webspark. Let's spark something extraordinary.